Bonjour et bienvenue, je m'appelle Veena Shahi and today I will make you learn the les adjective possessive means the possessive adjectives like my, you, your, his, her, are, their, etc. The possessive adjectives in French are not like English and they are quite like Hindi because the differentiation of the genders, they actually depend upon the gender of the object like in Hindi and not upon the subject like in English. We shall study them here in French, Hindi and English equivalent. So first we start my. My, we use my in French like Hindi. Just mera, meri, mere. My, mo means mera for masculine gender in French. Ma means Mary in for feminine gender. Me means mere for plural. The next is your. Your, ton means tumhara for masculine. Ta means tumhari for feminine. Te means tumhare for plural. Tu, ta, te is used for informal use in French. Tumhara, tumhari, tumhare like Hindi. Next is his. So means uska for masculine. Sa means uski for feminine. Se means uske for plural. Same pattern for her. So means uska for masculine. Sa means uski for feminine and se means uske for plural. Next is are. Notre means hamara, hamari for both male or female. No means hamare for plural. Your is used for formal. Votre means आपका, आपकी. वो means आपके for feminine and masculine both. Their, लर means उनका, उनकी. लर. At the end of word we add s for plural. So here lur with s. For plural unke. His table shows the gender of the subject in English, but uski mej shows the gender of the object in Hindi. We follow the Hindi pattern in French. It doesn't matter what is the gender of subject. Matter is what is the gender of object. If this is my pen, so I use for it se mo estilo. Se mo estilo means यह मेरा पेन है. I can't use यह मेरी पेन है से मा estilo, but I use से mo estilo means यह मेरा पेन है because the gender of object is male, not the subject. So here subject, it doesn't matter. Matter is object. This is my table. C'est ma table. यानी यह मेरी टेबल है, यह मेरी मेज है. Because the object's gender shows the female word, so we use मेरी माँ. माँ means मेरी. Say माँ table. This is my table. These are my books. Here the books shows plural thing. So we use ce sont mes livres. Livre means book. We add s at the end in plural word. So livre is used for pronunciation livre, but we add s at the end. Ce sont mes livres. Yani these are my books. So the object is plural, so we use the translation in plural way, not the depend upon the subject but depend upon the object. This is your pencil. C'est ton और votre crayon. Crayon means pencil. ये तुम्हारी या आपकी पेंसिल है. से तुम और votre crayon. तो फॉर इनफॉर्मल यूज यानी तुम्हारी, और votre इज फॉर्मल यूज यानी आपकी. दिस इज योर पैंट्स. Here object is in plural way, so we use ce sont tes और वो pantaloons. Pantaloons means pant. Means this is your यानी ये तुम्हारी और आपकी पैंट्स. तुम्हारे या आपके पैंट्स हैं. That's it. This is her cap. C'est son chapeau. C'est son chapeau means this is her cap. Same use for his. This is his cap. C'est son chapeau. This is his shirt. C'est sa chemise. This is her shirt. C'est sa chemise. This is her skirt. C'est sa jupe. These are his houses. C'est son ses maison. Maison means house. This is our register. C'est notre register. This is our class. C'est notre classe. These are rooms. These are our rooms. C'est sont nos chambres. Chambre means room. This is their work. C'est leur travail. This is their table. C'est leur table. These are their hotels. Ce sont leurs hotels. That's it. I hope you understand very well the possessive adjectives. So thank you so much. Merci beaucoup. And please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Au revoir. A bientôt. Salut.